Did you know that the Americans with Disabilities Act, in short ADA, now applies to all business websites worldwide? Did you know that small business owners are being sued for tens of thousands of dollars every month just because the website is not ADA compliant? Globally, all websites now must be in compliance with the official website accessibility guidelines, and ADA is part of that. Yes, this is a massive issue and puts all small business owners in danger. CNN, Fox News, LA Times, and many international media outlets are reporting on these web accessibility lawsuits right now. Before, ADA was only applied to brick-and-mortar businesses with a physical location, but now it applies to all business websites. Yes, including e-commerce, affiliate websites, and especially small business websites. As an agency, this gives you an opportunity to offer a truly helpful, unique, and much-needed service to businesses. All you need now is to find the right leads in your local area, a way to deliver value, and a proven process to turn your leads into high-paying customers. Introducing ADA Leads. Our software finds you pre-qualified, hyper-local, and global leads, then turning them into high-paying clients for you. It also finds you all the websites lacking in compliance, and it does all of that in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your keyword and location into ADA Leads. Step 2. Receive hundreds of hot and pre-qualified ADA prospects in seconds. Step 3. Our proprietary email and conversion system turns your leads into high-paying clients. And well, Step 4. You get paid handsomely. Done. It's that simple and newbie friendly. If you know how to turn on a computer, you'll be able to generate leads and sign up clients with ADA Leads. And this just scratches the surface. The way ADA Leads turns your prospects into clients is incredibly effective. Our app grabs the leads it generated for you and creates beautiful ADA website audits, showcasing absolutely everything a website is lacking in compliance. 100% fully automated and done for you. This will get your prospects' attention quickly, and it will turn them into paying clients for you. ADA Leads also contacts the prospects for you with high-converting ADA email templates and our ADA lead conversion system. You can give those website audits away as a foot-in-the-door strategy, or even better, you can charge for each website audit, as it provides real value to your prospects by showing them all the issues on their website. The audit also educates them on why they need ADA help right now, and it leverages huge media outlets like CNN, Fox News, LA Times, and others with official reports and proof on why every business website needs to be ADA compliant. ADA Leads does all of that for you, fully automated and in just a couple of minutes. It's the first ever lead generation and conversion system specializing in web accessibility compliance. You'll be able to start your own ADA lead generation agency today in just moments from now. You'll also receive a constant flow of hot leads ready to pay you for your help. And the best part is that you'll barely have any competition. While your competitors are offering the same old social media and SEO services, you'll be way ahead by offering a unique and much needed service that businesses will thank you for and pay you for big time. You'll be virtually collecting checks left and right. Here's a quick reminder of what you get today with ADA Leads. Find hundreds of hot ADA leads in your local area and globally with just one click. Create stunning website compliance audits for any website in seconds. Manage and contact all your prospects directly with ADA Leads, fully automated. Leverage our high-converting ADA lead conversion system and done-for-you templates. Charge for each website audit and sign up clients like never before. And start your very own ADA agency in just moments from now. Now, these are just the highlights. ADA Leads is jam-packed with incredible agency features for your business and for your clients. Remember, the website accessibility guidelines apply to every business website internationally. So wherever you live, it applies to the businesses there. Don't hesitate and leverage all the media attention ADA is getting right now and get on board before this launch special is over. Get access to the first ever full-blown and automated ADA lead generation, prospecting, and website auditing app in our space. Take action right now and come on board immediately.